good morning everyone, and welcome to our lesson on pie charts today. Now first of all, we're going to do an example together, and I hope you're going to learn a lot about pie charts today. Let's take a look. What pie charts are, first of all, remember, they look like this example here. It looks a bit like a pizza, doesn't it? Now the reason why we use pie charts, I've written up here to remind us, because they represent or show information clearly. Data is another word for information, and they show our information very clearly when we're trying to compare which is the most perhaps and which is the least. So we're going to have a look now and see how we can solve this one very carefully together. So let's have a look. This particular pie chart, here's the heading for it. It says pie chart showing ways in which pupils get to school. All right, now this particular one, can you see, is shown with fractions. Okay, now as we know, pizzas are always shared into a number of slices, and usually they are the same size. Now this one is a little bit more challenging because you can see the slices are different sizes. So we now have to look carefully and work it out. First of all, we must always see what information we are given. We are given this information in this little box here. The information box says 12 pupils travel by taxi or bus. So let's take a look at our pie chart and see the portion or the size or the slice of that piece. Here's our taxi or bus. It's half of the pupils. So now if half of the pupils are 12 pupils, that will give us a huge big clue how to solve the first question. Have a look. How many pupils are there all together? So now if half of the pupils are 12, then how are we going to solve that one? Remember how we did our fractions, and we're going to do it in the same way. So if 1/2 is 12, then we're going to times by, remember our denominator, which is 2, we're going to then say 2 times 12 is going to give us 24. We're going to simply times by 2 because half of the pizza has got 12 pupils on this side. Right, so it's 24 pupils. That was nice and easy to do. So remember, you have to times by our denominator to get the whole of the pizza. Now, let's have a look at number 2. How many travel by car? All right, now it says 1/6 travel by car. So now of the whole, remember, it's 24. Now everything's very easy because now we're going to share 24 by 6. Do you remember how we did our fractions? So we're going to say 24 divided by 6 because we have to find out 1/6. So let's say 1/6 here equals 24 divided by 6, and we know our tables, so we know that 24 divided by 6 is 4 pupils. And then our last question is asking here, how many children walk? Okay, so if 1/3 of the children walk, then we're going to divide, remember, by our denominator. We're going to divide this time by the 3 to find out this size of this small portion here, or the medium portion. So let's say 24. Okay, let me write here. 1/3 is 24 divided by 3, our denominator, of course, and we're going to, as we know, our 3 times tables, we know this is then 8 pupils. Okay, now I hope that you are going to have fun and think carefully about your pizza pies, at least your pie charts today that look like pizzas, and I hope that you will have fun solving yours in your lesson today.